Hello everyone. Welcome to the third episode of the Web Element series. Today you would be learning how to create animated box shadows, such as this one. As you can see, it is a black colored box with shadows that are of various colors and alternate between each color. So let's dive into it. As the name suggests, that it would feature a box. So we will start with writing body tag, and we would make a div with the class name box. We can give any name, but make sure to keep the name same in the CSS file. That's the entire HTML we would need to create this. Now it's turn for the CSS. First, we will provide the properties for the body, and those are, we need to keep the display on flex so that if we enter multiple boxes, then it could look better. Also, we would like to center it, so flex is very important property to put in the body tag. Now we'll do the justify content, center, and align items center. Now we will specify the height, and I would give it a height of 100 VH. As it doesn't matter how much height we give to the body, but it's better to give some arbitrary value. That is enough to keep everything in considerance. We'll put the margin to 0 to avoid any complexities. And I would color the background I'll keep the color white, but still I would at least specify it. That's all for the body tag. Now it's turn for the box tag. So the first property we'll give it would be the width. I would give it a 500 pixel width, as it can easily be seen on the screen. And the same for the height to make it a square. Now I would give it a background color black. Okay. Sorry, I put a dot at before writing body, because of which it was not implemented. Now we'll give it a border radius, and I would give it a value of 10 pixels. The more the border radius, the more curved are the vertices. Now I will give it animation box shadow animation, and I will keep the animation for 2 seconds. And to keep it repeating, I would give it a property called infinite and alternate to keep the series of colors changing in both directions. Now it's the turn for the keyframes. So we'll put @ keyframes. And as we wrote there box shadow animation, so we'll write the same here. Box shadow animation, curly braces begin. And now we'll specify what value we need for 0% of the animation. So I would give it box shadow 0 space 0, then 10 pixels and 5 pixels. And now we'll give the color in RGBA value. So I would first give it 225 for the R value and rest all 0. And we'll put the value of A at 1. As we can see, it shows a slightly red color on the borders of the box. Now we'll write for 50%. Again, you can also copy paste just the way I'm doing it to make it a bit easier. Now we will change the value here to 15, this to 7.5, and now we'll put the value of green at 255 so that the RGB colors keep alternating. Now we'll go for the 100% of the animation. Again, paste. Now we'll put the value of blue at 255 and rest all at 0 except the A. And as you can see, okay, I forgot to change the values here. Here I'll specify it as 20 pixels and 10 pixels. It simply shows that how much offset will it have with the border. Like the higher the value, the further the color goes. And I would like to show you one application as a bonus of this effect. Such as this code I created before recording this video. As you can see that I have added an image of Lord Krishna, and I have made the image circular as well as the box behind circular, and now it's giving a yellow colored border box shadow, which shows as if the image is lightening up from outsides. You can also recreate such effects with this animated box shadows. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider sharing the video and subscribing to the channel to create such effects on your own and learning new things.